Hello guys, welcome back to 1 Minute IT Shot. In this video, I'll show you how to set up cycle tracking in the Health app on your iPhone. This feature helps you log your menstrual cycle, track symptoms, and receive predictions for upcoming periods and fertile windows. Let's get started. First, open the Health app on your iPhone. Tap Browse in the bottom right corner. Now scroll down and select Cycle Tracking. If this is your first time using the feature, tap Get Started. Next, tap Next, and answer the setup questions. You'll be asked to enter information such as the first day of your last period, your average cycle length, and other details to personalize your tracking experience. Once you've completed all the steps, tap Submit to finish the setup. Your cycle tracking dashboard is now ready to use. From here, you can log your period, record symptoms, track factors like spotting or cramps, and monitor other health information related to your cycle. The Health app will also provide predictions for your upcoming period and, if enabled, your fertile window based on the information you enter. If you'd like to learn more about how the feature works, scroll down and tap About Cycle Tracking for additional information and guidance. And that's it. That's how you set up cycle tracking in the Health app on your iPhone. If this video helped you out, leave a like, subscribe to 1 Minute IT Shot, and I'll see you in the next one.